You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this cake, cashew meringue cake, a recipe from the Philippines originally. Now the name of the cake is definitely French, not Spanish, but it is pronounced more the Spanish way. So sans rival, sans rival. Now in French it would be said as sans rival, meaning no rival or without any rival. No, there's nothing better, essentially, is what it means. Sans rival is how it's said in the Philippines. Sans rival is how it would be said in French. Sans rival cake. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.